Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Explorer clutch slipping issue in manual transmission models and the possible causes behind it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. Clutch slipping in a manual transmission Ford Explorer is commonly described as the engine revving without a matching increase in vehicle speed, difficulty accelerating under load, or a burning smell during driving. Verified owner reports and service information show that this issue has been reported in Ford Explorer models equipped with manual transmissions, primarily older generations, with causes varying based on mileage, driving habits, and clutch system condition. One verified and frequently reported cause is clutch disc wear. Over time, the friction material on the clutch disc wears down, reducing its ability to grip the flywheel properly. This is the most common cause of clutch slipping and is typically seen in higher mileage vehicles. Another confirmed cause involves pressure plate wear or loss of clamping force. A weakened or damaged pressure plate may fail to hold the clutch disc firmly against the flywheel, leading to slipping during acceleration or when climbing hills. Clutch hydraulic system issues have also been documented. In vehicles using a hydraulic clutch system, problems such as a failing master cylinder or slave cylinder can prevent full clutch engagement, resulting in slipping or inconsistent pedal feel. Flywheel surface issues are another verified factor. Heat spots, glazing, or uneven wear on the flywheel can reduce friction and contribute to clutch slippage, especially after prolonged slipping or improper clutch use. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include oil contamination from rear main seal leaks, improper clutch adjustment, or incorrect clutch installation. These are considered possibilities and should be confirmed through inspection and diagnosis. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include replacing the worn clutch disc and pressure plate, resurfacing or replacing the flywheel when necessary, inspecting and repairing hydraulic components, and addressing any oil leaks affecting the clutch assembly. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Owner feedback trends indicate that most Ford Explorer clutch slipping issues are resolved through clutch replacement rather than transmission repair. However, experiences vary by vehicle age, driving conditions, and maintenance history. In conclusion, clutch slipping in a manual Ford Explorer is typically linked to normal clutch wear, pressure plate issues, or hydraulic system concerns. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.